So what is up, YouTube? Nah, it's really aggressive.
What you gonna do with them? What you gonna do with me? Pop off, yeah, yeah. Pop off, yeah, yeah. Pop off, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pop off, yeah, yeah. Rockin' Louis V clothes, I got ice cream stone.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Jamie Bior, and I'm back with more. So as you can tell by the title today, I'm doing a what's on my iPhone 11. I bought this phone back in November, and it's actually my second iPhone because the first one broke. So this is me on my phone, of course, because I'm obsessed with myself. But let me take the case off for y'all. Give me a second. Okay, so this is what it looks like outside of the case. It's purple, 128 gigabytes. Cool. That's the front. So without further ado, let's start the video. So my phone has Face ID, so when I look at it, it kind of, opens. And if you know me, my phone doesn't come off D&D for anybody. But yeah, that's me. And yeah, so let's open it. Oh, okay. Well, this is the first screen, should be of every iPhone user. So I just in photos. So I have 8,000 photos and 2,000 videos. And y'all, I used to have more. Like literally, I just started recently cleaning out my camera roll. But if you know me, I love taking pictures. I take pictures of everything. I have screenshot-itis. Yeah, I have fear that I might screenshot something and need it later, so I keep everything. This is when I went to the Drake concert. This is so fun. He brought the whole city out. I'm talking about Future, 21 Savage, Lil Baby, Trey Songz, Jeezy, everybody and their mama. That's Future. Okay, but yeah, basically I just have a lot of stuff. It's not even me, so I was bald headed at the time. But yeah, so that's photos. Swipe over, and everything is in a folder because I'm very organized and I don't like seeing stuff all over my screen. That's ghetto. So first folder, of course, I have voice memos, measuring app. I don't use those two because I don't need it. Calculator, of course, find my iPhone. The activity app for like when I work out. My watch app. WhatsApp to like text and call. Workday, that's an app that I use for my job. And then Text Now. If you know, you know. But then you swipe over, I have my files, and then
goofy ass. I'ma show you bitches how to pimp it.
Anyways, next folder. So I go into my next folder, and basically it's my money app. So whether it's about spending money, saving money, rewards for spending money, that's what it is. So first I have my SunTrust app where I check on my funds. Then next is Chick-fil-A, because Chick-fil-A is my life. Literally, probably only like 2 other people I know that love Chick-fil-A in front of me. After that, I have PayPal. That's what I use to like send or request transactions. Cash App, it's like it don't work for me. So next I have GOAT. I don't even buy shoes from here for real. I just be looking. Of course, I did get my 7s from here. Like I said, I'm not a sneakerhead, but for the most part, I just be on there looking. So next I have Shein, which is my most favorite app ever, favorite online store, because they just so affordable. Like, how can you not love them? I got like 30 stuff in my. I have Shein, where I buy everything. Apparently the stuff that I really wanted for real sold out. So anyways, next I have Uber. I don't really use Uber because like I drive now, so it's like there's no use of me having that app. Next I have Depop, buy and sell clothes. I bought clothes once on there, and let's just say never again. The app is really ghetto. Next, I have Amazon, most favorite app in the whole wide world. They're just so fast with everything. So yeah. Now I have AliExpress. And let me tell you something about AliExpress. People be sleep on them, like, just because, I don't know, it's stuff from China, but their stuff is like legit real deal Holyfield. Like, even the hair from here, people be so sleep on their hair because they feel like, oh, it's not gonna last. Here's my thing. If you pay for hair, like, I mean, if you take care of your hair, it's gonna last. So it's all just depending on you. Let me see some straight bundles with closure. So let's just say I want some straight hair, young hair. That's some good hair. Okay, let's just say I wanna go big on big, and I wanna get what, a 26. 26 is in a 20. Middle part. It's $151, literally. Like, you got people out here paying $500 plus for some hair that they probably gonna wear one time. No, baby, I'm teaching you how to save some money. But yeah, other than that, they have really cute stuff for cheap clothes, accessories. Only downside about AliExpress is that unless it's over like $100, it really doesn't ship fast. So that's my thing. But they are definitely the plug. Swipe over, I have wish.com. I don't really use Wish, but like, I seen it on my Instagram timeline, so I downloaded it, but I don't use it. I don't shop on there. So next I have my photo apps, Hugie, PixArt, Dazcam, and Govee. Govee is basically just my light bulb. I'll show y'all. The Hugie is this little picture changing filter app, whatever. So can it flip? Dang. Okay. Trying to do something real quick. It's not working. But yeah, this is how it works. It just puts this filter on your pictures, basically. So next I have PixArt. This is the app that I use to edit my thumbnails. And some selfies, if they have a filter on it, that's where they're from. It's really cool. Y'all should try it out. Next, I have Dazcam. That's where you do a little 3D picture. And then finally, my light bulb app. This is how I get the different colors in my room. It does any color you want to. It is $12, and of course it was from Amazon. So if y'all want the link to this, let me know. But that's that on it. So then next app over is my video editing stuff, like just for little videos like Funimate, Lemotive, whatever. Voicey is a rapping app, and Prequel, this is also where I edit my pictures that I take. Like this, you can do this because it's portrait and you can do whatever filter you want to. So, and it's free, y'all. So if y'all want to get some fire edits in, Prequel. Next, Triller. I know what Triller is. So next app over is my school app. Basically just productivity stuff. So first I have Google Classroom. That's where my teachers post my assignments. And then I go over into Infinite Campus. Wait, hold on, let me show y'all something. Please stop playing with the kid, y'all. Y'all see that? Currently I have a B right now, but it's okay, we're gonna bring it up. But yeah. Google Docs, Socratic, if you know, you know. Google Slides for any presentations I might have. Helix Jump. This is basically just for when I don't have service at school. That's why it's in my school app. But this game is very satisfying. If you're into games, I would recommend this. So I don't play games. I do business in the GPU. Also, my high score is okay. Anyways, and then Google Meet for any lessons I might have. Okay, so next folder, just strictly YouTube stuff. So first, I have YouTube Studio. Anybody know what this is? This is how you track how your videos are doing. So over the past month, I have 23,000 watch minutes. I don't know how much that is in hours, but yeah. Okay, YouTube Tracker. This is basically like how I set goals for myself, or how like I promote my channel, but didn't want to act funny, so never mind. Of course, YouTube app, and then iMovie and Video Shop. those are the only 2 apps I use to edit my videos. So if y'all want a tutorial on that, then let me know. So next app over, I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, just entertainment stuff. I used to be on Snapchat for real, but I stopped because like my views start going down ever since that update. I just keep it because of the memories I have in here. But yeah, so it's out there. Twitter, I don't be on Twitter for real either, but if you want to follow me, there's my @ which is the same as my Instagram. I'm obsessed with myself, y'all. Like, anyways, so then I go on to Facebook. I don't use Facebook. I just keep it to like stalk my mom's page and stuff. But and then we have Netflix. I watch Netflix on my TV, but just in case I go out anywhere, I have the app. So then I have TikTok. Literally, like, I'm the TikTok queen, clearly. So if y'all haven't already, go follow me, Danny Dior. And last but not least, Google Photos. It's where I have all my photos backed up, even from like 20,000 years ago. Look at this. Yeah. So, anyways, and then I have my settings. Basically, that really wraps it up for my phone. I don't know. I feel like I don't have a lot of apps or apps as much as my friends. I've had this phone since November and I've used 51 gigabytes already. And of course, 20 of it is because of my photos. But anyways, that's that on that. And my group chat just blew me up in the span of what? 5 minutes. But yeah, y'all. Let me turn this off. That wraps it up for my what's on my iPhone video 2020 edition. Yeah, like I said, if you guys want a video on how I edit my YouTube videos or thumbnails, just leave a comment down below. But other than that, that's it. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back with more Body Hair Dynasty.